Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the sidebar on ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started using ClickUp, and on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and customize the sidebar. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that if you highlight the buttons here, and then click on the three dots, you can actually go ahead and unpin it from the sidebar. Additionally, if you click on more and you see these pin icons here, you could actually pin it to the sidebar again. So that's one way of actually customizing your sidebar. Towards the bottom, you have your listed spaces, in which each of these spaces, you can actually go ahead and add it to favorites so that it appears under your favorites column here. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and customize the sidebar on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.